for the arts and a heart for helping others. The daughter of Carol Luisaga and John Samuel Nieva, she enjoys expressing herself through drawing, singing, and dancing. With her dreams of becoming a doctor and a painter, King Alea aspires to heal people while also bringing beauty to the world through her art. Her creativity, passion, and determination make her a bright and promising young individual. Again, candidate number 6, King Alea L.